Welcome to today's deep dive. We have a very specific mission for you right now. We are decoding a pretty dense product spec sheet from HDTVSupply.
Right, for the Atlona AT-AVA-EX70C-KIT.
Yeah, that's the one. It's a $530 extender kit, and we're going to figure out exactly how this hardware works.
And why it's basically a magic bullet for anyone setting up a home theater or a professional display, without creating a massive, ugly nest of wires.
Exactly, because, anyone who set up AV equipment knows the classic distance dilemma. Standard HDMI cables are strictly for short runs.
Yeah, once you try to string one across a room, the signal just degrades entirely. Like, if your video source is in a closet and your TV is on the opposite side of the building, you're just stuck.
You really are. I like to think of a standard HDMI cable as a sprinter. It's incredibly fast, but it totally gasses out after a few feet.
That's a perfect analogy. Right.
But what this Atlona kit does is turn your 4K video signal into an elite marathon runner.
It really does. The specs show it transmits 4K UHD video up to 130 feet, or if you're doing standard 1080p, up to a massive 230 feet.
Which is wild. And the kicker for you guys listening, it does all of this using just one standard category 6 or 6A Ethernet cable.
Just one cable. And the real engineering feat here is that it's not just running video.
Oh, right, the audio.
Exactly. That single thin Ethernet cable is handling embedded multi-channel audio at the exact same time. We are talking heavy hitters like Dolby Atmos and DTS:X.
With zero compression, right?
Yep, zero compression or quality loss. Getting that much bandwidth over those distances requires some serious hardware.
Okay, so we've solved the distance problem for the data. But this brings up a logistical issue.
The power situation.
Yeah, exactly. Because it doesn't help to run a 130-foot data cable if you still need a messy power brick and like a stack of control boxes plugged into the wall right behind the TV.
Right, it kind of ruins the whole invisible aesthetic. But that's where the physical footprint of this kit really matters. It comes with two endpoints, a transmitter and a receiver. Okay.
And the clever part is the transmitter actually provides remote power to the receiver over that exact same HDBaseT Ethernet cable.
Wait, hold on. Let me make sure I'm grasping the reality of this.
What?
Does that mean I don't even need a wall outlet to plug in the receiver box behind my TV?
You do not.
It just feeds off the data cable coming from the other side of the house.
That is exactly what it means. It's pulling enough electricity to run itself entirely through that one Ethernet cable.
Wow.
Yeah. And alongside the power, it passes through bidirectional IR and RS-232 control signals.
Meaning your universal remote or smart home system can still control the display even if the AV brains are 100 feet away.
Exactly. When you remove the need for a bulky power brick and an extra outlet, you totally change how you can architect a space.
Because you can just hide it.
Right. The receiver enclosure is super compact. It includes brackets to be surface mounted, so you can completely hide it behind a screen or inside a cabinet. It is practically invisible. Okay, but let's play devil's advocate for a second. If everything, the high bandwidth 4K video, 3D audio, smart home control, and physical power is running over a single one-lane highway.
A single kink in that wire ruins the entire setup.
Exactly. So how do you troubleshoot a failure without, ripping open the walls to check the wire?
It's a highly valid concern when you consolidate that much traffic onto one cable. That is exactly why Atlona built an HDBaseT link test right into the unit.
Oh, so it tests itself.
Yep. There's a physical button paired with multicolored LED indicators. You just press it, and it instantly verifies the cable quality and the termination.
Oh, that is genuinely smart design. No guessing.
No guessing, and no need to buy some expensive external testing tool. And to keep the software side just as stable, it uses EDID filtering.
EDID filtering. Break that down for us.
So think of EDID filtering as a digital bouncer, but mechanically it acts as a translator. It tells your video source exactly what resolutions your specific TV can handle before any signal is ever sent.
So it actively prevents the system from trying to push an unsupported format and just dropping the connection entirely.
Exactly. It keeps the whole system stable.
So to wrap this up, for $530, backed by a 3-year warranty, you're getting a professional-grade backbone for your AV setup.
Yeah, and it even handles HDCP 2.2, which is just the copy protection standard, so your Netflix streams or gaming consoles don't get blocked by the hardware.
Right, it just kills the wire mess and solves the distance problem permanently.
It truly does remove the physical limitations of traditional home theater wiring.
Which leaves you with this final thought to ponder. If a single Ethernet cable can simultaneously carry flawless 4K video, immersive 3D audio, complex control data, and enough power to run hardware over 130 feet away.
Yeah.
How much longer until our modern homes completely ditch traditional bulky power cords in favor of low-voltage smart cables for absolutely everything?